Exercise 1. What is his name? Listen to the conversations and answer the questions. 1. Hi, Linda. I'm Joseph Miller. Everyone calls me Joe.
Nice to meet you, Joe. And what's your last name again?
It's Miller. It is spelled Miller.
Thanks.
2.
Hello, my name is Maria Tanaka, and I'm from the United States.
Sorry, what's your name again?
Okay, my first name is Maria. It's spelt Maria. And my last name is spelt Tanaka.
Thank you, Maria.
3. Joe, this is my friend Sarah Green from France.
Excuse me, what is her name?
Sarah, Sarah, and her last name is spelled Green, Green.
Thank you. And Sarah, you are welcome to the class.
4. Okay, Miss Smith, let me just check this information. Is your first name spelled Ellen?
No, it's not. My first name is Eleanor.
Could you spell your first name for me?
It's spelt Elena.
Okay, thank you, Eleanor.
5. Hi, Steve. How's everything?
Not bad. How about you?
Pretty good, thanks. What's that in your hand?
A picture from my computer.
Can I have a look?
Sure. Here you are.
Who is the man in the middle?
He is my friend, Paulo.
Is he from Mexico?
No, he's from Brazil.
Sorry, where is he from?
He comes from Brazil. Brazil, Brazil.
I see, so he is Brazilian. He looks Mexican.